thought I would update you guys on the plans. Spent many months going over measurements, design, drawing up plans for all this, even cut lists, prices, the whole works. First draw up the plans and then try and find the best deal in order to get the materials. That was the columns plan. This is what we have for the front wall. We also have plans for the back wall here. Component rack, the columns, measurements, the whole works. Pages and pages of plans. Front screen, the door for the front screen, the screen itself, all the way down to the screen, the grommet placing, where it's going, center braces, the whole works. The sidewalls with the columns, the trims, acoustic treatments, measurements, the whole works. This was the fiber optic ceiling. So as you can see, there's layout of the room, lighting, acoustic panels, the whole works. Lots and lots and lots of drawings in order to make sure that this works and fits within the cheapest budget possible. Here's the plans for the acoustic panels, cuts, measurements, materials, cut list, the whole works. And then, as you can see, every piece of wood that I purchased is being used. Every bit of it. These are the standoffs for the wall track for the fabric system. The only waste, as you can see, a couple pieces back here that are too small, and lots of sawdust. Everything down to even these pieces are going to end up being used and have a place. And that's all been planned out, and doing it this way has helped maintain the lowest cost possible. Some of the shelving pieces for the speakers we got from old pallets, and we got the pallets for free. Here's the other pieces of them, so that you can see. So we just broke down the pallets and we took the good pieces that we wanted, and we took the rest and we used it for firewood for camping and that kind of stuff. But helped keep the cost low as possible, no waste, everything used, all thought out, all planned out.